Hey, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a battle of 4K 60. That's right, smartphone versus action camera, the Samsung Note 20 Ultra versus the GoPro Hero 10. Now, this video is requested by a good friend of mine, Red Dragon. I'll leave a link to his channel down below, but let's go ahead and we're just going to compare some side-by-side footage, and let's see which one looks best. Okay, so what did you think about the footage? Did you like the look of the Samsung Note 20 Ultra, or did you like the GoPro Hero 10? Just drop a comment down below. Tell me which one you prefer and the reasons why you prefer it. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.